Hi, welcome to Mama Jazz's Food Journey. Now, you can notice I have a little new locale, right? Well, that is because I am in front of Soupa Saiyan. It is a ramen shop here in Orlando, Florida, and I've been so excited to give this a try. So I've been cheated on. My husband already went to this place with his friends. I'm not mad about him going with his friends. I'm mad that he didn't bring me any ramen back. So here we are. It's time for me to try it. Let's get into it. Oh, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Oh. Love is truly not. You need to elevate and find. Love is blind. Okay, so we actually got our food. I'm excited to show you guys what I got. I'll kind of talk through it as I get it.
No rush, brother. Whenever you're done, just leave everything. As long as you go, let me know.
Oh, his looks really good. And then the Philly cheesesteak egg rolls. Yeah. Oh, that's nice. Look at that. That smells incredible. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited.
And it's not just that. I put sriracha.
You put sriracha in yours?
Mm-hmm.
Oh Lord.
Oh, it's good.
Yes.
Oh, she didn't put a different one.
Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna try is the boba tea, which has Aang, Katara, and Sokka on it from The Last Airbender, which I love, The Last Airbender. Alright, let's see. I got the cherry blossom with the Thai tea. So good. Oh my gosh. Alright, next thing is my bowl of ramen. I'm so excited. Okay, so first thing I'm gonna try, I got fish cakes and I got fish balls. Let's try the fish balls first. Oh my god. That's so good. Alright.
You didn't put that in there.
I'm trying this organically first.
Oh, you're trying to taste it?
Yeah. Yes, look at that. Okay, so bring the bowl closer to me. Mmm. That's fire. So the base that I got is chicken. They're out of beef broth right now. So if you come here, you gotta make sure you get here early while they have their broths because it's kind of first come, first serve. So I've always wanted to try these. So let's give it a try. Oh my gosh, so good.
That's just 3 sriracha and 2 soy.
Oh my gosh, I'm gonna show you what his looks like. Now that it's all stirred up. Do you mind if I try a bite, babe?
Yeah.
Do you mind if I try a bite?
Sure, man.
Okay. So I'm just gonna try one of your balls. I'll give your...
You should try the broth.
Oh, you're right.
You have to go
Let's
like
try
this.
your broth. Look at him schooling me. All right. Okay. I'm gonna lick this now.
You gotta mix.
Regret. Oh my goodness. He's already giggling at me. All right, now for the Philly cheesesteak egg rolls. Tell me you heard that crunch. Oh my god.
Don't get a shot of dip that goes with it.
I know. All right. So he's being a good husband, opening the dip for me. Oh my god. That was good. Alright, so I'm gonna eat the rest of this off camera. You guys stop here being in Orlando. Okay? Have a good day. Bye.